Two rugs, both handmade, but very different products. Although both handmade products, hand-tufted and hand-knotted rugs can't be more different. A hand-knotted rug is made on an upright loom, and the pile is created by tying pieces of wool onto the foundation strings. The knots are packed tightly together, and the rug is taken off the loom and finished by clipping the pile and finishing the edges. If you look at the back of the rug, you will see each individual knot. One misconception that customers often have is that more knots per square inch equals better quality. Knots per square inch is actually a function of design. A rug with a large geometric pattern or botanical motifs, as in our arts and crafts collection, will need fewer knots per square inch to achieve the desired look. A rug with a lot of detail and curvilinear lines, as in a formal Persian design, will require more knots per square inch. A rug with more knots per square inch needs to be clipped lower so the design will look crisp and clear. To make a hand-tufted rug, the weaver uses a handheld yarn gun and shoots pieces of wool into a piece of fabric. The back of the fabric is latex to hold the wool in place, and then a piece of heavy fabric is attached to cover the back of the rug. You will know you have a tufted rug if you look at the back of the rug and see heavy fabric instead of knots. Hand-tufted rugs are beautiful and durable. However, they cannot be washed like hand-knotted rugs due to the latex that is used to make them. Therefore, tufted rugs are usually considered to have a shorter lifespan than knotted rugs, which can often last your lifetime and beyond.